Good morning, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, welcome. Today we're going to make money playing Gosloto 749. If it's the first time, please remember to subscribe, to like and share, and join our WhatsApp group. I have a WhatsApp group which is 400 and once off, but I have another one which is more expensive, a little bit, where I share a banker. So and it is, let's say, more benefits. So you have to join this 400 and join the other one after. It means that is how it will work. And after being a member of this group, you will inbox me and say I want to join another one as well. We have a YouTube membership for banker. You must read before you join the membership on this YouTube. There is a link of WhatsApp group in the membership of banker. There is a title of a banker, right? A banker, right? So if it's the first time, that's how where you're gonna join if you want to join a banker. Alright. So let's make money. I'm gonna like do it do the video now. It's a 5:15. Yeah, 5:15. Thank you for watching. That is the phone number you're gonna WhatsApp. For the forex traders, um, uh, forex traders who are coming from this the YouTube channel, they get a discount for starting because I charge really a lot. Forex is very expensive. So to study it, because it's a carrot like a school fees, so you pay the half price only when you are a subscriber and a member of my channel. Yes, that's what I decided, because when I was learning, I paid like 25,000 right? Anyway, I don't, I don't ask her that much, but this forex trader, they want to chop our head. They ask us so much money to teach you forex. Alright, so today we're going to make money. Yeah, so let's go. You're gonna take this number, add them together. That's your first banker. We have a 7 and the other 10, 17. Alright, we have it, and also you do minus, sorry. We have a 3, so that is your 3 banker. Now we have a 3 and we have a 1. You have a 1 and a 3 to the next row. So 3 repeated, and also you can say 11 because remember you must add a 10, right? So then I bring 11, they bring 22 because 11 when you multiply by 2 is 22. Alright, so you can see 317 came, 3 came, 11 didn't show up, they just did this. Let's go because it's a multiplication. We have 2 when you do minus, we have 4. So they played the spin because a 2 when you spin is 20, 4 is 40, then when you add 10 is 14. So you can see 3 numbers came, and I'm sure that we know how to spin in numbers. Even 41, wow, it's amazing. Let's go. We have 16 and 10. So 16 and 10 and 26. Since the whole numbers came this draw, they can't use the numbers on this draw. So it's obviously they don't wanna use it. They added 1. We have 18 So the 16 it jumped and it came there, right? Let's go. Then we have 18. 18 then show up. Then we have already 2 minus here on 18 is 13 minus 5 is 8. 18 is 28. Because remember, we must, after adding the numbers together, you must add 10, right? So 28 is always 24. This, if you are on this channel, you know that 28 is always 24. So 8 is sitting there as well. We have a 4, and 4 is 2 and 8. That's the reason, because we had 8 as well skipping here. Since they skip with a 16 here. Now we have a 4 and we have also 6. Let's spray 4, and when you add a number 6 is a 16. 16 it can be 19. Right? 4, 46 or 9, 16, 19. The way they did it previously. Look at here, we have another 6.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at here, we have another 6. Look, it's not even 5:30. She's awake to wait for the dad, because she slept before he arrived home. Yo guys, hey, the daughters and the fathers. So now, I want to drive the kids to school. When she wake up to go to the bathroom, she ask her this my dad. So now we have a 6, which is showing here. 6 is showing. 16 it was already played. So 6 it came to the next draw. We can still use a 6 or 9, because they can still repeat 6. They like to repeat the last draw numbers. Right? So that was the 6, 16 or 9. When you do minus is a 4, 40. So we have a 40 or 4. Here we have a 44 and 40. 44 and 40 can still bring a 41 and 40, or 4, 41, because this number they move together and every rotor. So let's go. So let's use another strategy, guys. Last time we had the number of doing a minus, guys. The first and the last number. But before we do that, I would like to use this one. The last 3 number, adding them together is 95, 125, 132, right? So I see 13, 12, 21, 33. So they are not using this one, obviously. Let me see here, 8, 9, 1, 10. They are not using it. So let's go. Because if you have a 110, 132, even if you add them together, it's just 6, which only came here. And then 110, it's just 2 or 20, which can come after the row. Then we have 892, 110, 192 plus 24 is 6, 11, 116. So leave it, it's not working. So we're going to keep our number, which is 90, because you add them together, then you play 90, right? Or 9, sorry, or 6, then 19 or 16. That's where this one came from. And this one is 92 which is 2 and 9, then 29. So they didn't bring the number together. Sorry, 92, repeat, 90, 80, 91. It looks like a 16 or 19 can drop in the morning time. 16, 19. Let's go to other app. There's something I want to show you there. I have so many apps in my phone is feeling overwhelmed. Yeah? Alright, so let's go. Emi, Emia, sleep now. You saw that is there. Yeah, you saw your heart. She didn't want to sleep again because she was asking, what is my dad? Imagine. Sleep, huh? It's now almost 5:30, so it's still early. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to use this last number. This is what they used yesterday and before yesterday. When you add the numbers together, it gave us 52, which is 25 is sitting there. And sometimes they take this plus 5 plus 2 is 7. And then sometimes they add 1, so it's 7 and 8. Then sometimes 25 they add 1 is 26. So they add to make 26. They make 26, then it come to 16, make it 27. So this number behind here in the draw order. The reason I'm showing you on this app because this is the only app I was able to download to give me in a draw order numbers. So you can see it worked. We have a 7 and the 8 didn't come, but however, the most important number they are these two. Then if you want to try to get a multiple in two numbers, is 25 plus 1, which is 26. They didn't bring 26, right? Because 26 is a skip between here, meaning many people played that 26. Yeah, it's a missing number. So let's go. Here we have a 68. Because these number are very high, you just add them together. We have a 6 and 8, two numbers straight. Then we have also 6 plus 8 is a 14, right? You can see that when we add a number together, we have a 7. When you spin the number 25, you add it to 1 is 26. They did minus 1 again to play 16. Now we have a 14. 14 they came and say 24. They added 10. So this additional number, you can see the additional number is doing some wonders because if we take a 7, adding 10 is 17. They didn't want to play 17, let's play 16, right? So meaning that the additional number, adding 10, it's also a number. So 86, by the way, is sitting there in a piece. All right, let's go. 36. Here we have a 36. 36 is 36 is just 36 as it is. 3 and 6 when you add a number together is 9, right? 36 also can be 39, right? So if they say adding the number together 9 plus 10 is 19. You see that? In the case they do the same thing that they did previously. These numbers are very like 36. Alright, so let's go. Now, you go again, making money here again. You use this number sitting there. Here we have 88. 88, the banker is 8. Because 8 is a divisible number, another one is 44, another one is 4. Then 8, you know that I told you the twin number you add together. 8 is 16. 16 is always a 19, but most of the time this 16 comes as 13. They do minus 3 because it's a family of 3. But however, let's see what happened. 19, 8, or 4. So in case you want just to try, even if you divide the 4 is sitting there, because of 44, I remember I want this number straight, 40, 41, we want it straight. Alright, it was a straight pair I gave to the VIP, the one which is a more expensive group. Now, look, this is 44, brought us 14, 41, because 44 move with 40, 41, and 39. Alright, so now, 19 came, 40 came, right? Now we go. So let's use the last number. 55 is sitting there. Then 55, what you do, you add them together is 10. Remember, if they use strategy to add 10 to the addition, you add 10 again. So we have a 10 or 1, and we have also 20. This 20 also is coming from there. But 5 as well was hot there. 5, that's why it's keeping to come there. Alright, so for example, here we have a 33. 33 is just a 3, 6. Because you add them number together. If you add 10 is 16. Then 33 is 30. So, and the 6 is 9. 6 is 9, sorry. So 33 choose to play as 30. Only they didn't give us any chance. Let's go here. This is the 33 again. So 33 was supposed to be a hot number. Yeah. They didn't want to do it. Then you add 10 is 43. So this Lotto like to use that method of adding a 3 on family of 3. Look, they play 43, they make it 46. Right? Look, 84, they make it 40. And so on. The first two numbers as well work. 95. 95, you add them together is 14, but 14 already played. Right? So we're going to have a 9 and a 5, which 5 are played. Yeah, they didn't use it here. Now we have a 28, which is always 24. So we were waiting for 28 or 2 and 8. At least 8 is sitting there. We have 92. This is 29, guys. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. So if you check here, 2 and 9, let's go back. Here we have 95, which is 9 and 5. Now 9 and 5, each single they played 25, which they took this one to add 20, 29 here. 29 is always 27. They choose to repeat 27. Let's go. This 28, when you add 20, is 48, which played. So that 10 we were adding, they changed, they said let's add 20. Now look here, we have 92, 92. On each single is 2 and 9. So which is 22 and 29. Then if they say 29 as a spin to add 20, we're gonna have 49. You see, this one are the numbers. They don't use this strategy most of the time, but when they use it, they make sure. Now let's use the other one. The first and the last number is 39. 39 or 37, the nearby number of 39 is 37, that's where it came. Here is 21. I think so is 21. And they didn't use 21 or 21. They only use 1. Here is 42, which came as 20. If you add also is 44 is sitting there. 44 is sitting there, right? So if I'm doing plus or minus, let's see, 71, which is 17. 17 is sitting there, right? So as a split number, they like to do this. So they split the numbers. Now we have plus or minus the first number. We have a 24 and 2. So meaning we have a 27 or 29. Remember the nearby number of 27 is 29. Then we have also 24, which can be 42. So 42, 27, 29, even 24 as a repeat. Right. So those are the numbers. And also if you use the arithmetic sequence, hey, our friend on the group is teaching what is arithmetic sequences. I found it very hard, right? It's like, wow. He said the number which played here must be nearby of one of the number, and the one of the number here must be nearby of one of the number. So add 10 or do minus 10. Sometimes you have to do minus 2, sometimes you have to plus 1 and all that. So the one I did understand is just to add 10, guys. If I add 10 is a 15, right? For example, is an example. Then 15 is a nearby number of 16. So I was expecting 15 here. Didn't use it. Then if I add 10 is 40. 40 came straight, right? If I add 10 is 37 is already played. This is 35. 37, 35 didn't come. And here there is no nearby number. Here we can do minus 10 is a 39. Minus 10 is 36. So these don't have arithmetic sequence. Now, here 25 and 27 is there is addition in the of 2, right? And then we have what? Yeah, 25, 27 they repeated. Let's say if I take this one is 26, add 10 is 27. 16 add 10 is 26. 26 is the next number of 27. Things like that. Hey, I really, because when I try it and all this kind of stuff, I only like a calculation. However, I can compare with his strategy, but it's working magic. He really will make it work. All right. So So for example here, we have if I add 10 here, it's gonna be 15. 15 is a nearby number of that one, so they add 1, we have a 14, 15, 16. That is arithmetic sequence, eh? Yeah. So thank you so much. I will see you again. I will come to teach arithmetic sequence when I master it, because now I think I'm still confused. We're still learning. God bless you. Bye bye.